This is our final video in this set of notes in week 2. So, yay! This is only 3 slides long, very short. Let's talk about noise. So noise is unwanted electrical or electromagnetic signals that degrade or occlude the wanted signal. Wow, that was a mouthful. Here I've got a signal, and you can kind of follow the path of this signal going up and down here, but you see all this little stuff going on here? That's noise that's been generated by some outside source. It could be electrical noise from a motor, it could be electromagnetic noise, again from a motor or from a microwave or something else that causes this signal. If you look carefully, well, this kind of dips down a little bit. Was that intended to dip down, or was it supposed to be up here? So too much of this noise can cause problems with your signal. There's a very famous theory called Shannon's theorem, and it looks something like this. Now, this is a simplified version. It's actually more complex than this. This C means capacity, the B means bandwidth, S is the signal, and N is noise. And if I simplify it even more by taking out this logarithm here, I get something like this. Capacity equals bandwidth times signal over noise. Well, that means then that if I increase either one of these, the S or the B, that the C will go up. If I increase the N, the C will go down. So if I increase the bandwidth or the signal, either one, I will increase the capacity of this system. If I increase the noise, I decrease the capacity of the system. And that is the basis of Shannon's theorem and the theory of noise.